In this video, you will learn how to keep secret keypair safe on the Solana Web3.js network. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Awoyemi Victor. This video will walk you through exactly what you need to do so you can ensure your secret keys stays secure. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and let's get started. To ensure your secret key stays secure, it's recommended to inject the secret key using a .env file. To do that, you need to make a new file called .env with the content of the key you generated. Here, I'm going to store it as secret_key and I'm going to save it in this format. And once you've done that, we need to update our code. The first thing is to import .env/config and get keypair from environment from Solana Developer's helpers. Then we can create a const variable and give it a name, keypair. And using the get keypair from environment method, we can call our secret key, which we stored in the .env file earlier. And the last thing we want to do is to confirm if our secret key is successfully loaded. So we can just console.log a message. Now we can run this command nps esrun generate-keypair.ts. You can see that our secret key is successfully loaded, and if you try to push your code to GitHub, your .env file is not going to push to your repository, keeping your secret key safe and secure. You can have access to the source code of this project in the description of the video. There you have it. In just a few steps, you can secure your secret keypairs on the Solana blockchain. If you need help with your Solana project, there is a link in the description to get in touch with me. Thanks for watching.